Hello, everyone. My name is Kylie Shepard. I'm one of the pre-college mentors here at Temple Pre-College, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your program fee. Please remember this program fee is due 1 week before session 1, which is 1 week before the start of the program. To pay your program fee, go to the website noncredit.temple.edu. On this page, this is the home page. You're going to go to the right-hand side where it says log in to your account, and you're going to click here. Here you want to log in with your username and your password that you used when you applied for the program. And click log in with non-credit account. And then you should get a page that looks something like this, your student home. And then you'll have different pages here on the left-hand side to click from. On the right, again, you'll see your username as well as what you owe to the program. So in order to pay your program fee, you want to go to this left-hand side and scroll down to My Invoices. My Invoices, and click that. And it should show you a page that looks just like this with your outstanding invoices. So this will show you, I currently have $1,000. If you go to invoiced items, it can tell you what that fee is for. So my invoice is from Temple Pre-College Workshops. So in order to pay this, you want to select the invoice you'd like to pay and then press Pay Selected Invoices. This should take you to a page where you can enter the amount that you wish to pay for each invoice. So today, just for the purpose of this tutorial video, I'm going to put $10. So you can pay as much or as little as you want to, but remember this program fee is due in full by a week before session 1. So continue to payment. This will just confirm for you, you selected the payment amount of $10 or whatever you decide to type in out of your full amount. You'll read the policy confirmation and click I have read and understand, and then continue to check out. This is going to take you away from the non-credit page to quick pay. On this page, you're not going to have to select anything. It won't even let you. You're just going to need to go right here where it says next payment method. This is just to confirm all of your information. So next payment method, you're going to click here, enter credit information. So you enter your credit card or your debit card in order to pay, the billing address, as well as payment information recap. So just your email address and your phone number, and who you're paying the amount to. Continuing education, which is just the Temple Pre-College office. So I'm not going to put in payment information, but you will do that. And then at the bottom, press submit payment for however amount you clicked. For me, it was 10. So you would press submit payment. And then it will take you to step 3 for your payment confirmation, where you'll just get a confirmation of that we received your payment. And then to see if you still have an outstanding balance, again, you can go back to view your profile in Destiny 1. And it will tell you under student home. Of course, I didn't pay, so mine didn't go down, but yours should subtract the amount that you paid. If you paid in full, it should say that you're at $0 now. But you can pay whatever amount you want as long as you pay in full by a week before the start of your program. I'm going to put our contact information here. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email us, and we can help you as quickly as possible to pay your balance. Okay, thank you for listening to our tutorial video for how to pay your program invoices. Thank you.